What's going on, everybody? I'm over by the car wash. Had to go to the store. Finna scare the crap out of my uncle when he walks by. So I'm trying to be quiet. I'm right beside Burger King. I'm gonna hide in this little car wash thing. Hopefully they don't see me. Hey, boy!
Oh, you scared me.
Look at him, y'all. Scared to death. Y'all have a blessed night. Make sure y'all subscribe.